Welcome to our home decor, where we bring you the latest in home design trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked but impactful elements of kitchen design: the ceiling. Yes, the kitchen ceiling is getting a major upgrade in 2025. From bold architectural statements to minimalist elegance, we've got the top ideas to inspire your next kitchen makeover. Are you looking to add some personality and style to your home, but maybe feeling a little overwhelmed? We've all been there. That's why we created this channel. First on our list is the sleek high-gloss ceiling. Perfect for modern and contemporary kitchens, the reflective surface not only adds sophistication but also enhances natural light, making your kitchen appear brighter and more spacious. This year, it's all about embracing individuality and sustainability. We're seeing a lot of unique, personalized touches that make your home truly yours, as well as eco-friendly choices that are kind to our planet. Let's explore some of these exciting trends. Next, embrace the warmth of nature with exposed wooden beams. This trend brings rustic charm and pairs beautifully with farmhouse or transitional style kitchens. Combine it with soft pendant lighting to complete the cozy look. For a touch of elegance, consider a coffered ceiling. The structured grid pattern adds depth and dimension, while integrated LED lighting accents can give it a modern twist. We've explored a variety of ideas to help you transform your home into a place you love. Whether you're into modern minimalism, cozy rustic vibes, or vibrant eclectic designs, there's something here for everyone to draw inspiration from. Want something bold? Go for geometric ceiling designs. Think hexagonal panels or striking 3D textures that draw the eye upward and create a statement piece in your kitchen. Remember, decorating your home is all about expressing your personality and creating spaces that reflect who you are. When decorating your home, it's important to consider your personal style and the overall look you want to achieve. You can also find inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media. Decorating your home should be an enjoyable experience. In 2025, ceilings are becoming a canvas for creativity. Add a pop of color or a playful pattern using paint or wallpaper to infuse personality into your kitchen space. We don't believe home decor should be complicated or expensive. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting out, we have something for everyone. Adding personal touches to your decor is a fantastic way to make your space unique. Industrial vibes are still in, and metal panel ceilings are leading the way. Materials like copper, stainless steel, or tin not only add character but are also durable and easy to maintain. Technology continues to revolutionize home decor. Smart home devices not only make your life easier but can also be stylish additions to your home. Think of pieces that are not only visually stunning but also serve a purpose. Smart homes are getting a stylish upgrade. Look for smart devices that blend seamlessly with your decor. What do you think of this technique so far? Would you prefer a different color scheme? Encourage viewers to leave comments and suggestions. So there you have it, some of the hottest home decor trends for 2025. Which trend are you most excited to try? The possibilities are endless. You can turn anything into a masterpiece with some creativity and a trip to the hardware store. If you love natural light, a skylight ceiling is your best friend. This design not only brightens your space but also creates a seamless connection with the outdoors, perfect for 2025's biophilic design trend. Looking for functionality? Innovative ceilings with hidden storage or drop-down features are gaining popularity. These smart designs maximize space without compromising style. There you have it, the best kitchen ceiling design ideas for 2025. Whether you're going for sleek modernity, rustic charm, or bold creativity, the ceiling is your ultimate design frontier. Which of these ideas will you try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.